Welcome to day 15 of the Etsy Hacks challenge. In today's Etsy hack video, I'm going to share a hack that helps me grow my email list on autopilot. This is going to be a great way to let your buyers know that you have an email list without being too pushy and asking them to join. Let me show you the hack. So what I want you to do is head over to your Etsy store, click on Shop Manager and go to Messages. And you should be able to see now an inbox full of previous conversations that you have had with customers. Now, the hack that I'm teaching you today is how to create an auto-save reply with a signature and a landing page that leads them to your freebie, your discount, or your lead magnet. So let me show you how mine look like. So whenever I'm talking to customers, I always end the conversation with an auto reply. So these are all of my saved replies here. And then this is the one that I use that has my free lead magnet. So it will have best regards, my name, it has grab my free Etsy SEO guide, and then it has a link where they could copy and paste in their browser to get access to the free guide. And guess what? People actually do click on it and they actually sign up. So essentially, this is what you're gonna do for your own store. You're gonna have best regard, your name or your shop name, and then you're gonna have whatever offer you're offering. It could be grab your 20% discount on your order today by clicking here, right? So whatever you want to put, but this is going to help you grow your email list on autopilot, and it's going to be an easier way to let people know that you have an email list without asking them to join. So let me show you how to create this. All you have to do is click on all saved replies, go to add new, choose category. I always like to add mine some categories, so I'm going to go ahead and select signature, and from here I'm going to go to where it says signature. I'm going to click on the three dots and I'm going to click on add new save reply. Now from here, I'm going to say discount code, right? Let's say I'm giving a discount. So that way I know which auto save reply this is. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and say best regards, Nancy. I'm going to say grab 20% off your purchase today. And then I'm going to put the link right here. And then once you're happy with your signature, go ahead and save it. And now every single time that you talk to a customer, now you're able to go ahead and add that signature and grow your email list. Let me know if you knew about this hack, and thanks for watching again.